This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel 7 phone. So this phone is really easy. Just hold down the power button and volume up. Just like this. And wait about 5 to 10 seconds and your phone should turn off. So if it doesn't, you can just swipe down and go to power 2. But phone turned off, I'm going to hold down the power button, volume down for a few seconds, and then let go of the power button and just hold down, volume down. And this will launch us into the recovery screen. Now you might get confused because it might pop up no command at some point. Just hold down the power button, tap volume up. So it's going to bring us there in about 2 or 3 seconds now. And we should be able to see this. There we go. Use the volume keys to go down. Go to recovery screen or mode. Tap volume. Tap the power button now. And then we're going to be brought to the screen where it says no command. Hold down power. Tap volume up. Now we can go through the different selections on here. We can go on over to wipe data, factory reset, then do it one more time and you should be able to delete the password from your phone now. And then you should be able to log in, but it's going to wipe all the data off your Android phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.